Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Aptitude Made Easy to Learn. I hope everyone doing good. In the past video, we discussed about some of the shortcuts to find out squares of any number, right? In this video also, we are going to discuss about some of the very interesting shortcuts to find out squares. But these methods are useful for only particular ranging numbers, like ranging from 40 to 60 and 90 to 110. So only for these numbers, we are going to use these shortcuts. Then why so late? Let's get into the video. Here is the first one. So this trick is applicable for the numbers ranging from 40 to 60 only. So just remember, you need to use this square value like a square trick in order to find out ranging from 40 to 60 squares. 40 square to 60 square. If you have any numbers in between this range, you can use this trick. So for this trick, we'll be having two definite values. So one is a base value and another one will be a bench value. And here base value will always be 25 and bench value will always be 50. So we need these two values definitely in order to find out squares of these values. So just consider value 25 and value 50. Then how to find out squares of these numbers ranging from 40 to 60? Now let's see. Let's consider an example of 42. I need to find out square of 42. So how to find out this one? So yes, of course, we know the previous method. Now let's see this shortcut method. How to find out square of 42 using this shortcut. So what we need to do is compare this given value. 42 is the number right here. So compare this value with this bench value. So always you need to compare the values given to the bench values. Now what is the difference between these two now? 50 and 42 means difference will be 8. Now is 42 greater than 50 or less than 50? Less than, so it will be minus. So just nothing but I am considering difference between these two. And the symbol, so how much it is less? Okay, it is less by 8, so minus 8, right? I got this difference now. Now add this difference to this base value. If it is plus, I will add it to the base value, but here I have minus, right? So what I'll do, as it is minus, just subtract from the base value. So base value will always be 25 for any of these numbers ranging. So 25, and it is a subtraction, so 25 minus 8, that's nothing but 17. So that's it, right? So I got one value 17, and the last two digits will be square of this number. So what is the difference here? 8, right? Just find out square of this difference. So 8 square is nothing but 64. So 64. So 64 here, which means I need to find out square of this difference, and I should put it last, and just add up this base value with this difference. If it is minus, subtract. If it is plus, add up this. So 25 minus 8, 17. So 17 I'll paste here. So square of 42 is nothing but now 1764. Seems to be very simple right here. So no need to use any other tricks and no need to find out any other squares here except this difference. And always the difference will be ranging from 1 to 10. So yes, obviously we know squares of 1 to 10. So that will not be a great problem here. So the only one thing you need to remember, bench value should always be 50 and base value should always be 25. Now let's solve some more examples on this one so that we'll get a better idea of this. So see this 54 square. Now I should find out 54 square. So just check whether it is in the range of 40 to 60. Yes, it is in the range of 40 to 60. Now find out the difference. So what is the difference? 54 and 50 means 4 is the difference. Is it greater or lesser? It is greater, so plus 4. So what I should do now? So add this 4 to this 25. Because it is plus, just I'll add it to the base value. So 25 plus 4, 29. So 29. And what is the square of this? So 4 square is nothing but 60. So place it here. So 29, 60. So which means 54 square is nothing but 2960. That's it. See this, if you are able to understand this method, we can find out squares of these values within 10 seconds. So which will be a great helpful for us whenever we are attempting any competitive exams. Next value, 49 square. So let's try to solve this. What is the first step? Finding out difference. So 50 minus 49. So difference is 1. As it is less than 50, I'll consider minus. So 1 square is nothing but 1. So see this, I cannot take it as 1. Because as we said, whenever we are using squares of other number to find out square of another number, so always we should write square as a 2-digit number. So 1 square means I should not write it as 1, I should write it as 0, 1. So which we already discussed in the previous video. And one more thing, if you didn't watch the previous video till now, so I'll give this video in the iCard, just watch it out. So it will be very useful for this video. So see, this 1 square means 0, 1. As I said, we should consider 2-digit value. Now, so 25 is a base value. As it is subtraction, just subtract it. 25 minus 1, 24. So which means 49 square will be now 2401. That's it. The only one thing we should remember, square of a number means if I'm getting a single digit, I should write it in form of 2 digits. So only 3 squares I'll get it as a single digit. 1 square, 2 square and 3 square. So I should write them as 0, 1, 0, 4 and 0, 9 anywhere. So this is one of the trick for the numbers ranging from 40 to 60. So for these numbers ranging from 40 to 60, so our bench value will be 50 and base value will be 25. And using this shortcut method, I'll find out those squares very simply within 5 seconds or 10 seconds. Right. Let's see one more example. Yeah. See this trick. This trick is applicable for the numbers ranging from 90 to 110, which means if I want to find out square of numbers ranging from this 90 square to 110 square, then I should use this trick. And no change in this one. There will be two values once again here. One is a base value, another one will be a bench value. But our bench value and base values will be changing here. Like previously our bench value is 50, base value is 25. But here bench value will be 100. But base value is not fixed in this one. Like for every square, our base value will be changing. So don't worry, no need to by heart these base values here. Why? Because your base value is nothing but the number which you're finding square. For example, now if I want to find out square of 98. Right. So if I want to find out now square of this 98. So what I'll do, base value will be 98 itself. So if I want to find out square of 92, base value will be 92 only. So like that. So base values will be just the number which you are finding square. So okay for now. And the same process here. There is no change in the process. I want to find out now square of 98. What I should do? Find out difference between these two. So 100 minus 98. It is 2. But actually 98 is less than 100. So what I should do? I should consider difference as minus 2. So 2 square is nothing but 0, 4. So I got last digits. Now for this, base value is 98. Subtracting this 2 as because it is minus. So 98 minus 2, 96. So which means now 98 square is nothing but 9604. So the same method which we were using in the previous case will be using here also, but the only one thing changing is here is bench value will be changing and our base value will be changing. Let's solve some more examples in the numbers ranging from 90 to 110. Yeah, 98 square, which we already did now here. So let's consider another number now. Let's consider, let's say 93 square. So for this, what is the difference now? 93 minus 100 I should consider as because it is less. I am considering directly like this. Difference is 7 and the symbol is minus. So base value will be 93 itself. 93 itself will be a base value. So 93 and it is minus, so I'll subtract 7 from this. 93 minus 7 is nothing but 86. So 86 here and 7 square is nothing but 49. So 49 here. So 8649 is square of 93. And you can verify this, you can check it out. So as the number ending with 3, so 3 square means my square value should always end with 9. Yes, of course it is ending. So just you can cross check like this for a while if you're having a doubt whether I'm getting a correct square or not, like this. See the next number, 109 square. So here base value will be 109 simply. And what will be difference here? 109 minus 100, difference is 9. And as it is greater than 100, so symbol will be plus. Which means now for the base value, I should add 9 here. So 109 plus 9. If it is minus, I'll subtract. If it is plus, I should add. 109 plus 9 is nothing but 118. And 9 square. So different square always I should consider. So 9 square is nothing but 81. So which means 109 square will be 11881. So this is 109 square. So using the same approach, we'll be finding any values ranging from 90 to 110. So just remember bench value will be 100 and base value will be the number what you have considered here also. So this is about this video. So in this video just we discussed two tricks here to find out squares from 40 to 60 as well as 90 to 110. But just remember base values and bench values will be changing for these two tricks. And these tricks are applicable only for the numbers ranging from this 40 to 60 and 90 to 110. So I hope this video will be useful for you. So if you think this video is useful for you, just like a video and share it to your friends who are preparing for the placements. And finally, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.